Alright guys, we have currently lost Wilbur. This isn't good. It's the opposite of helping with the hog population around here. What is up guys, welcome back. We have an exciting episode for you today. I'll get my toolbox and my tailgate down. Me and Mara drove this morning. We left the house this morning after dropping kids off at school and drove an hour to get a mystery animal y'all don't know about. Last weekend, I fixed the center pin in the barn, put up some of this weed barrier as like just a little bit of extra protection to keep things from going through the cow panels. And today, we went and got the secret animal. So y'all go ahead and comment it down below and let me know what y'all think it is. Alright guys, sit y'all right here. Have y'all guessed what the animal is yet? So we went ahead, I took the big tank out because the animal we got can't use it. We got him a little bowl of water, a feed bowl, and this pen to live in for right now. Just right now, it's not permanent. So let's get to it. And like I said guys, we drove an hour to get this thing. That is very uncommon for me. If it ain't right down the road, I don't want it because I don't want to have to drive. All right, guys. Did you guess right? I don't think you did. I don't think you did. Guys, this is Wilbur. He's a male Juliana pig. He's going to be living on our farm. He's a cool little dude. We went and got him this morning. We may or may not have a couple more to go with him. You have to stay tuned. But we got him. He is a red spotted little bitty fella. I gotta give him some food. So y'all stay here and keep Wilbur some company while I go get him some food. I think you're supposed to wet their food. If I am. Come here, Wilbur. Come here. What are you saying to the people? So I have to get something to put right here up under this gate. This gate's a little high. I think he can get up under it. Come here, Wilbur. Are you gonna be shy now? I think what he was saying is y'all subscribe to Pigweed Farms. Y'all should really do that. Wilbur, anything else? You want some food? And they are mini pigs. They only get about 65 pounds or 60 pounds if you feed them right. That's right, dude. And we have took him to the daycare. So, and we left with a pig and a kid. The other kid stayed. Okay, I'm gonna get you some food, okay? Alright. Y'all stay here and keep Wilbur company. Is it Wilbur? Wilbur. Talk time with Wilbur. I am going to go ahead and fix this gate real quick. Alright guys, we have currently lost Wilbur. He got out and I don't know where he is. He was in his little pen, and now he's gone. This isn't good. We're gonna do the opposite of helping with the hog population around here. So there's the two rams.
Look, you see Bruce coming up?
I wonder if he went in that pen.
In the one with the grass that's 15 feet tall?
Yeah, most likely. Alright guys, so we're back home. We ain't got the side by side. and another pig. So I was gonna try to surprise y'all with another pig, but hold on. It didn't work out that way. The other one's still missing. Trying not to be the next hog outbreak in our county. Like Dad said, if that one ain't gonna cause much damage because the coyotes will get them before anything else, but we don't want that to happen. So I went and got another pig. I'm currently zip tying the kennel shut. We're gonna leave her in this kennel overnight, just to be on the safe side, to see if we can lure him back. This one is supposedly in heat, so if she's in heat, if this one's in heat and her rutting around and making noise like she is, it should call him back. But if we don't hear nothing out of him in probably about tomorrow, we'll probably call the lady back and go get another one, because I plan to breed them. If something comes to this farm, most of the time it's because it can make us a little bit of money. It may not make us a bunch, but it can make us a little bit. Y'all can also help out too. We have a Amazon storefront, and we're Vivor affiliates. So if y'all want to check that out, there's a link in the description. We do make a little bit of commission, but it's just enough to help with the feed bill around here and a little bit extra things. But this one, she's supposed to be in heat. She's got some pretty colors on her. She supposedly will bite, but you know, supposedly all of them will bite. All right, so I gotta get this ladder out of the way and get her put in there. And I guess he went through the big squares. I didn't think he would fit. And everybody's like, oh, you just use hog panels. But these are cattle panels. The squares are just a tiny bit bigger. But I didn't think they were big enough to really notice a difference. But I guess we're going to order some more Vivor fencing whenever we get caught back up on everything. Because just got my first paycheck from the new job. So y'all go down and check out all the storefronts and everything. Y'all go buy something. Help a man out. There. We'll leave the gate open, so if he comes back, he can just walk in there and chill with her. And I'll be out here multiple times a night just checking in to see. But I checked the cameras on the house. There's no sign of him. He got out earlier, and I just put him right back up. So the hardest thing is he's a little bitty animal. So it really bothers me that he basically, like, there's no way for him to survive on his own out there. So that kind of bothers me a little bit. But we're going to go run down this peanut field over here. That borders our property line. I need to go get some more chicken feed, but we'll go tomorrow. We'll take the boys with us to go tomorrow. How about that? And just go ahead and do a spoiler alert. We're getting another pig too. So another female. I was gonna have 2 females and a male. Shut my tailgate. Get my net, that way if I see him, I can net him. Let's see here. Sun cooled off a little bit. A little rain shower just in. Right down this little field row, which is on the opposite side of the ditch that we're on. All right, guys, we found Wilbur. After hours of praying, we found Wilbur. I got up, just ate dinner. Got up, Dale was going ballistic, and stop, Wilbur. I'll be right back. Alrighty, guys, it has been a week later. Like I said, we found Wilbur in the last clip. We don't know where he was hiding at. He was somewhere by the house. We don't know if he was under the house or what, but we found him. He is back. We searched. I didn't even show all the searching. I put the drone in the air, flew it around. It was blowing like 10-mile-an-hour winds, so the drone could not keep up and push against the wind. So that's kind of not useless, but you know, it was a little bit harder. And then we got Bella out. Bella tried to sniff him out. She just couldn't find him. And for y'all of you that don't know Bella, Bella's my registered coon dog. She really good sniffer. If you're chasing cats, possums, or coons, she can find them. She couldn't find that dang pig though. But guys, we're gonna go ahead and end this video off here. Like I said, we do have an Amazon storefront. If you want to go over and check it out, there's a bunch of good stuff in there that we use around the farm. We are Vivor affiliates, so this fencing over here that I use for the chickens is on there. There's another one too. It's a little bit shorter. We're planning to order it soon. But guys, thanks for watching. Remember, Jesus loves you. God bless you. We'll see you on the next one. And please like, subscribe, and comment. We're on Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. And I started posting a little bit on Instagram, but everything's Pigweed Farms. So, guys, thanks for watching. We hope y'all have a good day, a good afternoon, a good week. Whenever you're watching this, we hope that you're doing absolutely fantastic. And we will see you on the next one, guys. Thanks for watching.